Hello guys, welcome to cgeeks. Today our topic is how you can convert Excel file into PDF file and PDF file into Excel file. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So in first, we will convert any Excel sheet into PDF and then we will convert any PDF sheet into Excel through URL option. So let's move on to our topic. This is a sample Excel sheet we have and we want to convert it into PDF file. Go to file, then save as. I'm selecting desktop, select the location. Now you can put name test. Save type as. This is a format, this is a type of file. Here is a PDF. All these are options, you can select anyone. But we are currently converting into PDF. So select PDF. You have multiple another option like page range, publishing what you want to publish, selection, active sheet or whole Excel workbook, so on. So currently I am saving. So this is our Excel sheet into PDF. Checking on desktop. So this is our test PDF file. Exactly, this is our PDF file. Now for second option, PDF to Excel through URL. This is little bit tricky. Get focus on lecture. So this is a sample PDF file. This one we want to convert it into Excel file without changing of any font or ID or setting. So this is a PDF file. Right click on it and go to open with. Open with any Chrome or web browser. So this is opening in browser. This is a URL of this file. Copy it. This is a URL of this file. Get copy and go to Excel. Now go to data tab, this one, and get data. Click on get data from other sources and then from web. This will fetch all data with its formats. Paste the link of that specific file. Click OK. Now this is a file test1 we have with its space 78 MB. Click on it. This is a data cell. Click on that specific icon. Now it's asking for all columns or you get some columns. I'm selecting all columns. Click OK. Now this is the data to load. Close and load option here. Getting data. Now this is the exact data with page number and everything. In this way you can get the exact copy of data from PDF. Thanks guys for watching and learning.